Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I haven't been posting in quite some time, and this is why. I actually had a baby. This is baby Max, and today I decided to do his very first photo shoot. It's gonna be Easter this Sunday, so I wanted to take some cute pictures of him dressed as a bunny with a little carrot. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna do something very simple. He's only 2 weeks old, and I'm not super experienced doing like newborn photo shoots. So what we're gonna do is just lay him down on this blanket on the floor, and I'm gonna be using the light from the window that I have here. So yeah, just pretty much natural light. We're not trying to do anything too crazy here. Misty's gonna be helping. Yes, Misty? Would be actually pretty cute if I could get Misty in some of the pictures as well. Now for the outfit, he's wearing just like a cute knit outfit, and then the hat I got from AliExpress, and the hat was actually a little bit too big, so I had to size it up just a little bit to his head, but that was pretty easy. And then the carrot I bought on Amazon. I think it was like a table decoration for Easter, but I thought it was the perfect size, and it's really cute and plush. Okay, so he's asleep right now. Hopefully he kind of stays asleep and we can like kind of move him around. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. Okay, so he's zonked actually.
Misty, okay, I know you want to help, but
Misty.
okay, Misty, you're standing on top of the thing.
Oh my god, look how cute, he's a bunny. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Just
Okay, kind of like. I can't. This is so. Okay, wait. So what if I just kind of stick this right here? Okay, hold that little. Come on. He's like literally not. Okay. Oh, you gotta work fast. Oh, how cute! Oh. Towards the other side a little bit. No. Mister. Yeah, I know it's not easy. It's hard work. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, huh? Just like that. He's just a sleepy bunny. Oh my god, how cute. Who's this sleepy bunny? Try one of him like on his belly, and it would be cute if he's actually sleeping so well right now. Okay, I'm thinking, I don't know how to do this, but I'm just gonna wing it. I think they just take the babies like this, flip them on their belly. That's very good. Kind of like this. Okay, that's cute. Oh my god, that's a bunny. It's a little bunny rabbit. what if I just kind of put him with his head up a little bit, like this? Oh, is that kind of cute?
Look.
Oh, you want it up
Yes,
like
you gotta
this?
do this.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I got it. I see. Okay, this is kind of cute. No, maybe a little bit more like this. Oh yes, that's cute. Okay, here. You gotta put these little tiny fingers like around. Okay. He's just very floppy right now. I just can't stop laughing because it's so cute. His hand is very floppy. It's not staying. Oh. Okay, let's hold it. Oh. Hold it. Oh, so cute, little bunny. Aww. All right, I think we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will have so many more videos coming. I actually had lots of stuff that I shot before I gave birth. I was just kind of not feeling like working while I was pregnant and doing all of this, but now I'm getting back to it, so I'm gonna have lots of content that I filmed pretty much before my baby, so stay tuned.